How to unlike all reels on Instagram at once. Hey everyone, in this video tutorial we're showing you how to unlike all reels on Instagram at once. You've ever found yourself in the midst of a reel liking spree and later regretted it? Unlike all those reels you might have regretted liking on Instagram, no more scrolling endlessly through your liked posts. So to unlike all reels on Instagram at once, first open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to access your settings. Select your activity. Under your activity, choose Likes. By default, you'll see all your liked content. To filter for just Reels, tap the All Content Types filter at the top. In the menu that pops up, select Reels. Now you see only the Reels you've liked. Tap Select in the top right corner. Now tap on each reel you want to unlike. A check mark will appear on the selected reels. Once you've chosen the reels to unlike, tap the Unlike button at the bottom of the screen. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap Unlike again to confirm. Now all the reels you liked will be unliked at once. Instagram limits bulk actions to 100 at a time, so if you've liked a ton of reels, you might need to repeat steps 5 and 6 multiple times. With these simple steps, you can easily unlike all reels on Instagram at once and keep your Instagram activity fresh. And this is how to unlike all reels on Instagram at once. If you have any questions about unlike all reels on Instagram at once, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.